aba babanza no kwiyonjira rya Kabale Regional Referral Hospital aho Minister wihanga ahabuye mushubo n'amakorero David Bahati niwe yahebembere mu college
Tegabigwaro nitukisima abo kugira ngo nibateka Kabale Hospital kugira ngo bije kutumuza kutuyamba kutukwininja no mayachi tukozashiki mu ishuri tukakireba nitukateka turi clean ko kamwe nukuba kwisha nibatworeka umwe imyanya mitu tutakaye kamu twantu tuyonje imyanya yitu
Plate Tarehe Sita. We want to say that we are very grateful for the UPDF for the contribution you are making for the peace and security of the country. And also remember that Tarehe Sita, this day, the 6th of February, was very important for our revolution, and that the blood that was shed during the Liberation Day will never be in vain.
Minister yaheza yayebembera abasirikare nuko kuta ecumuri ahamwanya ugwaba FRONASA bayitirweho omucyayi cya Kabale. Abantu James Karambuzi, Joseph Tware na David Kanjiri.
The President Museveni has he committed and he's working on ensuring that the families of Kanjire, of Kalambuzi and Bitwai at least get some support from government, and that will happen.
Godfrey Nyakahuma RDC wa Kabale yasiima Ministry y'Okwerinda ahabwo kufayo kunduza umwanyogo.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Ministry of Defense, particularly the UPDF.
We are enjoying peace because of them.
Omugandi Ministry y'Okwerinda n'enshonga z'abankazurwanaho Vincent Sempija bamarangachi yigure binavira harwe minje primary school omurwampara ebyumbekirwa ba UPDF. Hona nabwo yigura hekijiso cya bankazurwanaho abafeeriire omu government ya Idi Amin omwaka gwa 2019.
Chief Guest Honorable Minister, some of us were young boys. I was 9 years old. Konka that image iki cyabiro kikatorogaga mitwe abako koko wahurira mbyeshongoro barokugamba tukaferwa abantu bengi munongomo
Oguyangaruka yahaye na nibukozesa by'urwaro ebi yakwasa bembezi barwampara.
Nyenda kusima abasirikare betu. Mbwe n'abasirikare mbwe shito basime tutatubatsimbira amashi. You've given a human face to the army. Abo kuba itwe tukakora ntumango abasirikare n'abetsi babantu n'abagwiraro n'abahambi n'abashuma. Twa twabenti kimanya abantu mwe n'abutwesiga n'abashuma. Wike iba maziro mu haruhe nkoko yo muntebuzire. Haruho mukazi wo muntu batwire. Mwene cyo tumukubasa kukiterero mu ngaro munonga.
Aha mukoro g'abarwanire rutaro batugambire bakoziri.
Rutaro rwanshanze na nyina yebeye abasirikare bakabata kumanya umuhanda abashyanya mutire ya rugazi abasarwa bashaki kandi bakabata kumanya kuzahamizi.
Aha wa TV West ndi Susan Charles Sima na Job Namanyo.